Hi, today is lesson 6. We're going to talk about what is infinitive. So, infinitive is the name of the verb. In English, the infinitive is composed of two words. To plus the dictionary form of the verb. For example, like to speak, to dance, by dictionary form. We mean the form of the verb that is listed as the entry in the dictionary. Although the infinitive is the most basic form of the verb, it can never be used in a sentence without another verb which is conjugated. So we'll talk about the conjugation later. So put an example. To learn is exciting. To learn is the infinitive. Is the main verb. It is important to be on time. So to be is infinitive. We always see to do something, to be, to do, the to in there. That means it's an infinitive. But don't forget that your sentence still will have a main verb, okay? Infinitive is just infinitive. It can be the main verb of your sentence. Put an example like Paul and Mary want to dance together. So in this sentence, the main verb is want. To dance is just the infinitive. The dictionary form of the word, for example, the infinitive without the to is used after such verb as must and let. Like Paul must do his dictionary. After must, you must use the original basic forms as you've seen in the dictionary. The parents let the children watch the television because they let somebody do something. So the dictionary form of watch is just watch. You can put an s, you can put an ed. It's just basic forms in there. So we just review the English part. We see in Spanish what is infinitive forms looks like. So the infinitive form is composed of only one word that ends with the letter R, that is AR, and ER or EIR. There are only 3 forms, okay? There's no 4 forms, 5 forms. There's only 3 forms. So that means you can, when you see a Spanish verb, you can only see the ends like either AR, either IR, either ER. That's it. So this letter are called the infinitive ending. The word to in English infinitive has no Spanish equivalent. Like to speak, it's just hablar. HABLAR, ended in AR. We can see the equivalent in Spanish. Yeah, that's a little bit difference between the English and the Spanish. And then to eat, comer, 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 ended in ER. To leave, vivir, ended in IR. So you can just there's no to in Spanish as equivalent, okay? And all the verb ended either AR, ER, or IR. That's it. So we need to change the forms of the Spanish verb according to what kind of ending they have. Like we call verb ended in AR is the first group. So the word ended in ER is the second group. and the word in IR is the third group. So we will talk about more specifically how they got transformation. These three kinds of different ending. So it's important for you to identify the groups to which a word belongs to, so that you know what pattern to follow when conjunctioning the verb. So in a sentence, that infinitive forms is always used for a verb that follow any verb other than ser. That is to be, estar, to be, or haber, to have. Let's take an example of that. John and Mary want to dance together. Dance is bailar. Juan y María quieren bailar juntos. So bailar and aquí in here is the infinitive. Another one is, it started to rain. Rain is llover. Empezó is started, the past tense. Llover. So in here, llover, rain is infinitive. I can leave tomorrow. Can is puedo. I can is puedo. Leave, salir. Tomorrow, mañana. Salir in aquí is infinitive. Because after can, you can only use the, original basic forms. And you should study more. Usted debe estudiar más. Estudiar in here is the basic form and is in infinitive. So notice that in the last two examples, there's no to in the English sentence. To alert you that this is an infinitive, must be used in Spanish. So when looking up the equivalent of a verb in English Spanish dictionary, be sure to look for the specific meaning of English verb. In English, it is possible to change the meaning of verb by placing short verbs. It's called preposition or adverb after them. For example, the word look in column A changes meaning depends on the word that follows. Like to look for, to look after, to look out. Is different meanings. So in Spanish, it is generally not possible to change the meaning of a word by adding a preposition or adverb as in column A above. An entirely different word would be used for each of the various meaning above. When consulting dictionary, all the example above under column A will be found under dictionary and treat like look, mirar, but you will have to search under the entire for the expression look for, buscar, or look after, cuidar, to find the correct Spanish equivalent. Don't select the first entry under look and then add on Spanish equivalent for after. The result will be meaningless in Spanish. So the explanation for this is like the meaning for look for is search for something, right? So look is mirar in Spanish. So we can say, you can put a adverb or preposition in that. Okay, so look for is equals to buscar. Buscar and in Spanish is searching. So it's a verb, total different verb. So look after, take care of, is cuidar. Cuidar and buscar is two different total verb. You can just put a prepositional adverb after, okay, mirad. That's not correct. This is the book trying to say this. Thank you.